what make life interesting and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. This is RJ Tritiya.
And RJ Advay, and you're listening to Aura FM 20.6 Morning Dew Drops by Sudarshan of Grade 4A.
Good morning, alright. I am Siddharshan of grade 4A. I am here to tell a story about always following your heart. As a child, Monty Roberts was the son of a horse trainer. One day, when he was a senior, his teacher asked him to write about what he wanted to be when he grew up. He did not hesitate and wrote a 7-page paper about his aim to be an owner of a horse ranch. 2 days later, he received his paper back with an F on the front page. After class, he asked his teacher why he received such a low score. The teacher told him, "This dream is unrealistic for a boy like you who has no money, no resources, and who comes from an itinerant family. There is no possibility that you will reach this goal." Then the teacher offered him the opportunity to rewrite the paper with a more realistic attitude. The boy went home and asked his father how he should respond. His father told him, "This is an important decision, so you must come to your own conclusion." After several days, the boy brought home the same paper to his teacher. No changes were made. He told his teacher, "Keep the F and I will keep my dream." Monty Roberts went to own a 4,000 square foot house in the middle of a 200-acre horse ranch. He framed the paper he wrote and hung it over his fireplace. Always remember to follow your heart and never listen to those who do not believe in your ability to achieve your dreams. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Advay, can you say what is our mother language?
Yes, it is Malayalam.
Yeah, also say what day is celebrated today.
It's Mother Language Day.
International Mother Language Day is a worldwide annual observance held on 21st February to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and to promote multilingualism. First announced by UNESCO on 17th November 1990. It was formally recognized by the United Nations General Assembly with the adoption of United Nations Resolution in 2002. Mother Language Day is a part of broader initiative to promote the preservation and protection of all languages used by the people of the world, as adopted by the United Nations General Assembly on 16th May 2007, a United Nations resolution, which also established in 2008 as the International Year of Languages. The idea to celebrate International Mother Language Day was the initiative of Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, 21st February is the anniversary of the day when the people of Bangladesh, then East Pakistan, fought for the recognition for the Bangla language. It also celebrated in West Bengal, India.
Today's amazing facts. Muhammad is thought to be the most popular name in the world. Only 2 countries use purple in their national flags. The world's most densely populated island is the size of 2 soccer fields.
Today's current affairs are India's Metro Man E. Sridharan on joining BJP. Congress holds protest in Rajasthan. MP against rising petrol and diesel prices. New COVID-19 cases rising in Punjab and Chhattisgarh, and MP says Health Ministry.
Yesterday's question was, which is the fastest flying bird in the world? Answer is peregrine falcon. Winners are Mohammad Aman, Miduna Jain, Alan Krishna, Shazia, Adit Preman, Akshit, Achyut, Shrayal, Sudarshan. Congratulations to all the winners.
Today's question is, Which state in the US is closest to the North Pole? I repeat, which state in the US is closest to the North Pole?
If you are brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward with your new hello.
This is RJ Advai.
And this is RJ Tritiya signing off.